Straight up, the ingredients is 2 pounds of beef, 80-20, 1 green, red, yellow pepper, 1 onion, 1 can of Cinto tomatoes, and that shit was too damn fast. So guess what? We just gonna get into it, bro. Bro. Check. Go ahead, brown up your ground beef. Ground that beef. You know what I'm saying? Chop a yellow pepper up, green pepper, all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? We gonna see what happened from there. Yeah. Then we got some olives, some onions. And this is a half an onion, half a green pepper, half a yellow pepper. We're gonna turn that fire on medium half. You know what I'm saying? I then put the olives, the garlic, all of that in the pan. This is only half my vegetable mixture. That's half right there. You know what I'm saying? Half. So only half. Look at that. It's good right there. Good. Looking good. We got a good start. Just stir it. Firm. You mean? So now let's go ahead and pour the tomato sauce in the pan. We're gonna use some Cinto crushed tomatoes. You know what I'm saying? That's looking real good right there. Yo, this tomato sauce is real raw. So you gotta add sugar. You can add as much as you like. I'm gonna add as much as I need to make my spaghetti sauce taste good. So I suggest you do the same. If you don't like as much sugar, don't add it. It's your business, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, let's move on. Let's go ahead and add some of that basil. Gotta add that basil. You know what I'm saying? Sprinkle it in there. Be generous with it. Don't be cheap with it. Make it taste like something. Remember, this canned tomatoes. We gonna add some Italian seasoning. Italiano. You know what I'm saying? Bang it out like a church bell. Ring the shit like a church bell. You know what I'm saying? If you know what happens when you put it over the steam, you don't want to come out. But it's all good. Bang that shit like a church bell. Yep. Yo, add some of that kosher salt. Maybe like a teaspoon. Give it a good stir. Stir it with whatever you got. I didn't drain the grease because I don't. Never. But you can if you want to. Absolutely. Don't chew me out about it. Let's go ahead and add about 2 cups of water. Aqua. You know what I'm saying? Just to thin it out a little bit. Then we're gonna bring that down to a simmer. Go ahead and cover it. We're gonna put it down to about be right there, medium. I went outside to get some of these leaves, picked them up off the ground. Facts. Put them in there. Straight from the bay, Diego. You know what I'm saying? That's just how we moving. And this is the other half of your vegetable mixture. Onions, green peppers, olives, garlic, yellow peppers, red peppers, you know what I'm saying? All that. Alright. And you put this in later on so that good stir. All the vegetables are not turning to mush. You know what I'm saying? But look at that. No baby food. And you let this simmer for about 25 minutes. You good. Look at that. That's what you want. Hey, yo, if you learn something like this video, yeah,